Hi there. I shop on AliExpress a fair bit, but I've never spent this much or gotten such a big parcel before. There's definitely different orders combined in here, with one in particular I'm excited and a bit nervous about. I can see right away the classic Blythe doll box, which looks like it was sat on. Typical. Oh, and there's envelopes taped in there too. Great. Let's start with this squashed box. Oh yes, it's a totally blank Blythe from Blythe Homes, ready to be transformed. Everything's working nicely. Remember to support your doll's head and hold the cord away from the head when changing the eyes. I've seen some cords deteriorating from being dragged over the plastic over time. That's one order. Next up is this little packet. Oh, it's some carving bits for my Dremel to use on the doll's faceplate when carving. That's two. In here... Ah, it's some real wool to use for custom dolls as well. Very soft and beautiful colours. I think they threw in an extra one too. That's three. Okay, big box is next. Ooh, everything's well packaged, that's good. Ah! I ordered an Obitsu 22 body. These are the very best bodies for Blythe, I think. Incredible posing. That's four. Oh, spoilers. Yes, I took a risk and bought a genuine Blythe doll from AliExpress. She's from Doll Mart, and I selected the option for doll only, no box. That option was a bit cheaper, and she won't need the box anyway. I plan to customise the base doll to sell at BlytheCon UK in October, and will keep the stock clothes for myself. I already bought a lookalike doll to keep for myself anyway, since I love her style. So I'm expecting everything just to be bubble wrapped inside with no pretty box. I'm actually surprised to see the legit outer box, actually. Oh! There is a nice box after all. That really was a surprise. I had to double check my order afterwards. Oh, I'm so happy I went for it and ordered her. I was a little wary, but the seller does have lots of other legit dolls too. So I have my own Blue Rabbit Blythe doll. She's my first from the Good Smile company. I had been looking out for other second-hand stock dolls to customise, but just couldn't find any I was happy with. I decided to buy a new doll, since the prices weren't very different. She's absolutely gorgeous. I love the clothes she comes with. I felt like I'd made a big mistake not ordering her sooner when I saw Tammy Powley unboxing hers months ago. Well, the packaging is still as complex and well secured as ever. Nothing's changed there. She's free! And her stand. She's well protected with plastic above and below her fringe, round her hair, her arms and legs too. She comes with a pretty bag, some bloomers, and little socks. She has a lovely green stand, and her black shoes are quite soft plastic, squishy. She has a lovely hairband with flowers and long polka tulle net. Her pool charm is the standard type, and her eyes are special light brown, green, pink and blue. Her skin is fair with salmon pink blush. Her hair is light brown and her lips are pink. I only have one complaint. My girl has a little kink throughout her hair, halfway up, that seemed to make it harder to comb out. She also shed what felt like a lot of hair too. After a very laborious combing, small sections at a time, her super thick hair is looking better. It's hard to see, but I noticed there's a new line of text on her head and body now that includes the Good Smile Company. I'm in no doubt at all that she's completely legit, and I'm delighted. I spent a little time poring over the details of her clothes. There's so many pretty little gathers and pin tucks in her outfit. I noted where some edges are left raw, but everything seems well put together, and I'll probably try to replicate a few details in my own designs. I also forgot to mention before, she has a salmon pink manicure. Very cute painted nails. Let's have a look at the Obitsu body as well, in case you're not familiar. It comes with extra hand gestures and neck attachment pieces. There's space on the foot soles to attach your own magnets, and the body itself has an articulated frame with soft vinyl shells for the body and solid plastic arms and legs. The elbows and knees are double jointed, and the whole body is just fantastically posable. I love that the soft shell squishes a little, allowing the knees to come up quite high. I'm really delighted with all of this, my biggest AliExpress haul yet. Big thanks for the support from my patrons, who got an extra exclusive little unboxing video last week on Patreon, featuring my daughter. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you'll let me know in the comments below if you've made any extra large AliExpress purchases before. How did it go? I'll bet Marna from Dolls Rescued has a few dolls on their way right now. Take care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!